This is the 13th video on physics quiz. This will be a 25-part video series wherein we'll be discussing the basic fundamentals and concepts relating to various physical phenomena, famous scientists, and other frequently asked questions in various exams. You'll find these videos besides the respective GK Today quiz under Physics Quiz section. Link is in the description. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask them in the comment section. So let's quickly get on with it. What of the following represents viscosity? Correct answer is A. Most of the fluids offer some resistance to motion. This resistance to fluid motion is called viscosity. This resistance is like an internal friction, which is analogous to friction when a solid moves on a surface. What is the SI unit of viscosity? Correct answer is B. Poiseuille. The SI unit of viscosity is Poiseuille, represented by a pi and named after the French physicist Jean-Leonard Marie Fuseli. Its other units are following, that is Newton second per meter square, or PA, that is Pascal.S. Which of these fluids has the highest viscosity? Correct answer is B. Honey. Viscosity of some common fluids are water 1, honey 200, blood 2.7, air 0.017. What happens to the viscosity of a liquid with increase in temperature? Correct answer is B. It decreases. The viscosity of liquid decreases with increase in temperature, while it increases in case of gases. So, viscosity of liquids decreases with increase in temperature, whereas viscosity for gases increases with increase in temperature. What do we call the maximum velocity of a fluid in a tube for which the flow remains streamlined? Correct answer is B. The maximum velocity of a fluid in a tube for which the flow remains streamlined is called the critical velocity. Then there is something also called as dynamic viscosity, which is also known as absolute viscosity, which is the measurement of the fluid's internal resistance to a flow. While there is kinematic viscosity as well, which refers to the ratio of dynamic viscosity to the density. Then there is something called laminar, but not as a velocity, there is laminar flow. And some of the common applications of laminar flow would be, that is a smooth flow of viscous liquid through a tube or a pipe. Which of the following represents kinematic viscosity? Correct answer is C. Kinematic viscosity is defined mathematically as the ratio of the viscosity of a fluid to its density. It is the measure of the resistive flow of a fluid under the influence of gravity. Which of the following is the SI unit of kinematic viscosity? Correct answer is D. SI unit of kinematic viscosity is the square meter per second. It is denoted by the sign nu. What is the Gaussian unit of kinematic viscosity? Correct answer is B. Stokes. The Gaussian unit of kinematic viscosity is Stokes, and 10,000 Stokes equals 1 square meter per second. Which of these ratios give the viscosity of a fluid? Correct answer is A. Viscosity is defined mathematically as the ratio of shearing stress to the velocity gradient in a fluid. It's represented by the Greek letter eta. What is Reynolds number? Correct answer is A. Ratio of inertial force to viscous force. Reynolds number is a dimensionless number whose value gives one an approximate idea whether the flow would be turbulent. Reynolds number is the ratio of inertial force to viscous force. And the one we said about turbulent, here is a GIF for it. It has been taken from Wikipedia. It is a vortex street around a cylinder. This can occur in cylinders and spheres for any fluid. Cylinder size and fluid speed, provided that it has a Reynolds number between roughly 40 to 1000. What you see at the tail end is the turbulence. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. Thank you and see you in the next one.